Welcome to Christmas in July 2021 at the Art Circle Public Library. And today we're here with Mary Pollard, and she is going to do an ornament for us. Mary's put the kits together and fixed them all up for us. And so now, take it away, Mary.
We have a Christmas tree ornament today, and it's very simple to do. First, in your package, you will find several pieces. The first thing, take it all out, and the first thing you'll see is two round pieces, and we would glue them together. Doesn't take much glue. So, any type of glue you have is good. And then we have scissors. I need scissors. A piece, and you can fit this on any way you want, like this or like this, what's best, and then glue it down. And after you get that done, trim off the edges of whatever's left over. And it'll be like this. Then we also have another building, and that you can either glue down or you can take some pop darts if you have them. Pop dart tops. And put them on. And it makes it, or if you don't have them, you can take glue dots, or you can just glue it down. And sort of arrange that like you want. And it also needs to be cut a little bit. It's just a little bit big. And you can see that it's beginning to take shape. So we add another pop-ups to the next figure. And you can do these pretty much as you like and arrange them as you like. Oh, let's see. Shall I put it down here? There's good. And then you have a star. A nice glittery star to put up in the air. And after you get done, then you can sort of do the back as you want. If you have some stickers or something that says Merry Christmas, or even write Merry Christmas on it, and that will design your back for you. Then we stick it in the... Now if you want this to be a permanent, you can put just a little glue around the edges. But if you want to change it every year, you can just pop it together and make sure these are together. And put your string, put your ribbon through it. And you have a nice Christmas decoration. Put on your tree. There we go.
Beautiful.
You like that?
Thank you, Mary.